I'm gonna say this one, okay. Again, I set the video and tell that people gonna come over here. How many people you kidnap in the store? You attack over here this area, 10 rolling lanes. You know already exactly Lucia, know that die at a time, and you fuck the Arab over here. And the son, no more memory. And I believe that John Misima was talking the Arab, the Kapahulo. Kapahulo the time, the Labs Bakery. And you, John Misima, you looking, your father, Pablo, there is a black hair, and you call the Arab. That's Pablo Sanchez Ababa, not the Pablo White. Pack you the eye, busted. I want to run, that's John. Why, John, you hung up your father? You hung up your father, you together before John Misima. Now go, real, yes. You pack the Pablo the time, and why? This telling your identity that Rosanna Johnson. Why you agree it? John Misima at the time was Rosanna Jones. Why you together to hang up the Pablo? That you looking your father Pablo? That your father Pablo was Arab right there, was working the Labs Bakery, you take care? Why? One person, I think one person or two person talking the Arab the time. I think Jeff talking the Arab. Where you go? I go to Misawa, Japan because I was looking my daughter Lucia. I think Jeff can remember that Jeff. Now Jeff, you working Labs Bakery. You gonna talk the before Jeff, you talking Arab and you got father black hair that you no more memory and you call Arab. Now John Misima, you talk the Arab the time. Where you go? Go to Misawa, Japan looking Lucia. Why they kidnap me twice before? Na real, yes, that's the one told you. Na, I want to run. And you asking where is Pablo Blackhair? That you together to hang up the Arab over here this room, that I stay over here this room. Now right now, Nestor, you together to hang up the Pablo. That's my father, Nestor. And you think you laugh hard, the money dollars, the $5. You don't know about the money dollars, the $5 face, the Abraham Lincoln Jr. You don't know about me at all. You have to remember I created you, Nestor Salvador. You die already before because the Saldi, the challenge you was that Labs Bakery before. That's before that mini zombie niya Saldi's of vampire. I created a Saldi die before. Come back. But this time I'm gonna put you die. Why you die before you zombie? And you hung up my father and you together the nakamali. Fuck you, identity theft, Nestor. My God, I want to run. Now right now, Nestor, Lucia getting weight, but this is Daria face talking the video. No that lie. And why you want to kill me? You know already exactly the Arab was billionaire is still billion the Arab. You don't know the Arab billionaire? And you hiring kidnap the daughter and other people and know that kill me because I'm fight the God before. I'm not run the enemy. I told you this area is my territory. You have to remember that I created you, I put you back because I need help the time. I went over here before. Rosanna Jones, you talking? Die already. That one Rosanna right now pretend was come out the wall over here 2003. The real Rosanna cat before die. I challenged that before die. Alec, the cat that belong Caroline Jones, right here. No more come back, Monica. They go that man. Why is a male time cat? They go that man, Alex pretend. Alex Aguilar. That's the one woojing before. Take over my ring and big fight about the ring before. Now right now, you fuck the daughter the Pablo. The Pablo is two Pablo. Why you don't understand Pablo too? Pablo White is Pablo Harrison, declaiming Sanchez Ababa. The Pablo Harrison, born over here, this area. Why declaiming born the Hana Maui? The Hana Maui is black hair, Abraham Lincoln Jr. Now, Pablo Harrison born this area. Why? Neighbor, my father was born Hana Maui, is a black hair, is Arab. Moving over here, this area. Neighbor again. Neighbor the white, the Pablo White. Pablo White house is white. My father Pablo and my mother Mary house is a pink house. Down again, together. Now you, Dina, you making trouble with me. You stay in Misawa, Japan, and you stealing my identity. That Lucy stay the Hawaii, they kidnap me. You don't know about it. You know already exactly you kidnap me and you kidnap the triplets. Why? The real Dina cat died. They killed it, the Monica cat. Why get jealous, Monica? That's why I told you over here again. Dina, come back, Monica. Monica, come back, Dina. Now you right now, you stealing my identity and you stay in Misawa, Japan. You the one drugs, bato. You was Monica. Drugs, bato, and you accusing me drugs, bato, that you the one. Look at you, what you done, the Macri family. You stealing my identity, and you talking Jason Kamali, and you talking na Kamali. You was the Makaha, and you get in the house the Macre, and you put drugs bato the house the Macre, and you hurry come back Dina Kamatso Ababa pretend. And later, you hurry come back Monica, pretend sister Lucia. And you think I don't know about you. You making trouble with me. Now the police together to you. Waran Obaris. That's the one they kick out Macri. The Macri know that drugs was military Air Force. Know that drugs ba to side agod. Na nakamali. What's your evidence, Nakamali, and why you go the Macri's house? You don't have a warrant of arrest. You just bring that woman, the whore, the drugs bato. You bring the drugs, the bato, and you put the house, the Macri. And you get in the neighbor the time, they say you get in the house, the Macri, the Makaha. Makaha, Lucia? Yes. Kahala. Kahala too. They got Macri, Kahala, and Makaha. You together to fuck the Kahala and Makaha. Now, remember now, Nakamali, Jason Kamali? Nakamali Police. I don't know your first name, but I call you Nakamali. The one is Jason Kamali. Kamali. That's Jason Kamali. That's skinny. You together, the Dina, and stealing my identity. And you fuck my father Pablo, and I believe you talking the Tuna Magallones pretend is a cat. Was the Dina, was Monica. The originally cat is Monica. That's the one the time over here. Now, stay with me is Monica. Now, where is another Monica's face? Now, right now, Nakamali, you big trouble. If you stay Misawa, Japan, some of you use text. Just landing, just like that landing here in the Hawaii. Why text? You don't have a buy ticket, just text, just like that. Now you kidnap me, and you moving me in another house that nobody see that this woman Filipina. This woman Filipina working and got plan, and these people together to me working got plan to kill me. Text, Paul. My God, Paul, how many times, Paul, I busted you? I busted you in the store. You think, Nestor, Lucia doesn't know about I pull out your cellular, Nestor. And you, Paul, I pull out your cellular. You very clever man. That Nersol Garcia, they get in your identity and want to kill me the job.